मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन चैप्टर। एक बार आप लोग रूल्स को पढ़ लीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 234 ग्राम ऑफ शुगर सिरप कंटेन 34.2 ग्राम ऑफ शुगर। व्हाट इज द मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन? H2S is toxic gas used in qualitative analysis if solubility of H2S in water at STF is 0.195 meter. What is value of KH? Atomic mass is equal to Question number 4. Henry's law constant for molarity of methane is benzene at 298 Kelvin is 4.27 into 10 power 5 mmHg. Question 5. How much oxygen is dissolved in 100 ml water at 298 Kelvin if partial pressure of oxygen is 0.5 atm and K equal to 1.4 into 10 power minus 3 mole? Question 6. The law which indicates the relation minus Hp between solubility of gas in liquid and pressure. Question 7. Among the following substances, the lowest vapor pressure is exerted by? Question number 8. Vapor pressure of pure liquid X is 2 atm at 300 K. It is lower to 1 atm on dissolving 1 GOF Y in 20 gram of liquid X. If molar mass of X is 200, what is molar mass of Y? Question number 9. Pressure is directly proportional to its molar fraction. This is known as? Question number 10. 3 moles of P and 2 moles of Q are mixed. What will be their total vapor pressure in the solution if their partial pressure T and 60 torr respectively? Question 11. Which of the following solutions show positive deviation from Raoult's law? And 12. The system that forms maximum volume geotrop is? Question 13. A plant shall shrink when it keep in. Question 14. The relative lowering in vapor pressure is proportional to the ratio of number of. Question 15. A solution containing 10.2 gram glycerin per liter is isotonic with 2% solution of glucose. What is the molecular mass of glycerin? Question number 16. What weight of glycerol should be added to 600 gram of water in order to lower its melting point by 10 Celsius? Question number 17. The osmosis pressure of solution can be increased by. Question number 18. The sprinkling of salt helps in cleaning the snow-covered road in hills. The phenomena involve a process each. बाकी बच्चे क्वेश्चंस मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप जाकर चेक कर लीजिए और सॉल्व करके मेरे कमेंट में भर दीजिए अपना आंसर। थैंक यू। आपके रिव्यू के हिसाब से मैं क्वेश्चन अपलोड करता रहूंगा।